The Pahlavi dynasty, Reza Shah said that it's not good to have a lot of wives, just one is enough. And then he said that half of our population are women, and they don't work. So we have lost half of our power. So women should come to society and work and have money. And also he has based a lot of museum and railways and very good things at that time. And then his son came. This is the palace of the Reza Shah, and you see it is green because the stones are green, and they are from a city because Zanjan. And you see these Roman statues; they are a gift from Italy to him. After him, Mohammad Reza Shah came. That I give explanation from him at the White Palace. Let's go inside.